Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to enable or disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness. Now for the first method, just open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit and then go to display option. And that's it. Here you can see adaptive brightness option. Now you may ask, how does it work? Adaptive brightness is an Android feature that adjusts your display brightness level based on the nearby lighting and your preferences. Also, it uses the ambient light sensor to make these adjustments for you automatically. So just tap here to enable it. And you can see it's enabled successfully. Now for the second method, just go to home screen and then swipe from top to bottom, then tap on three dots. And that's it. You can also enable or disable adaptive brightness from here. Then tap on done and it's done. And that is how you can enable or disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.